How to buy mystery token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. As you can see, this is their X account. They have a big community. Make sure to take a look at it. Now after that, how to buy this token? It's available in Uniswap. Now as you can see, this is our token, but we need to connect our wallet first. Now just click on connect, and if you want, just click on Bitget wallet. After that, the Bitget wallet it's connected. Now after you connect your wallet, from here just select the crypto that you want to buy with. For example, I want to buy with Ethereum, and now enter how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will receive. And because I don't have any Ethereum, I can't process to buy this token, so I have another way to buy this token, and it's easy way. Now if you have the Bitget wallet, just open it from the extension bar. Now after that, click on this plus, little plus. Now before that, go to CoinGisco. Now copy the token address from here, and now open your Bitget wallet like that. Now click on this little plus icon. Make sure to select the Ethereum network from here. Now paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on this plus. Now after that, the token is added. Now go back, and after that, make sure to select the Ethereum from here, and now scroll down until you find your token called mystery, as you can see. So this is our token. Now after that, click on this little plus to be able to buy the token from the Bitget. Now as you can see, now from here, set how much you want to buy with USDT to be able to buy this token. Now in the receiving address, just go to CoinGisco again. Now copy the token address, and now go back and paste it here, and after that click on buy. So this is how to buy the mystery token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.